Was told that the second floor was not heating. Come to find, the outdoor compressor is on, but the fan isn't. So we're gonna go ahead and just shut it off for now, and go ahead and check out what's going on the inside of this unit. Open up this electrical compartment and take a look inside. Looks like we have a 2012 unit. It's about 13 years old, and this is what the electrical compartment looks like. The first thing I'm going to do is check this capacitor. So that's not too bad. The fan is not reading anything. The Herm is reading, so you got a bad capacitor. I'm gonna go ahead and offer replacement for that. Confirmed bad capacitor using multimeter microfarad testing option between fan and common. Meter read 0. It's dead. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and replace this capacitor here with a new Turbo 200. Now if you look here, the way you find out what you need is you look right here at 35 plus 5 US. All right, so that's what we need on this capacitor. By itself, it doesn't have what we're looking for. So what you have to do is jump from 25 here to 10, and if you count that, 10 plus 25, you have a 35 microfarad capacitor. And then if you when you're looking for the 5, you're going to look for the 5 here or the 5 here. All right, I like to start on the lower 5, and if the fan motor doesn't kick in, I'll use the higher 5. So we're going to check that out and get it installed. So we'll clean out the electrical compartment and grab a strap, cut it to size, put the capacitor in, and get the hard start next to it. Okay, so now that we got everything ready to go, this red is the common. It's not the same on every unit, so be ready for that. This fan, or this purple, is the fan, so that will go over here to the 5 on this side. This yellow is your Herm, and then one side of your hard start kit is going to go onto the Herm like so, and the other side will be on the compressor protection here on the Turbo 200. If you don't have a Turbo 200, you would put it on the common, just so you guys know. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Oh, the fan is on. I'm happy to have got them cooling and helped them to sleep well tonight.